Building a website for your Christmas market shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your Christmas markets. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you actually haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Marty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Now, once you've registered an account, started your free trial, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our markets, Christmas markets. Excellent. Great. Let's start Marty Sites a few basic details about our Christmas market. Pop in your business name or your market name and your city and state or region that you're hosting your markets. It doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business, do all the hard work or your markets, and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. Great thing about Marty Sites, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content specific to a Christmas markets, pre-selected images to Mary specific to a Christmas market as well. Doesn't matter which market you select on the Marty Sites platform, it will literally have pre-written content and pre-selected images. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your service or your business. It's really easy to customize it, add your own photos, and edit the content to make it a bit more personalized to your market. Let me show you how easy it is to do that. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my market. I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on site. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here, you can put in all the social links your market is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. If you've got a logo for your market, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can edit your logo by clicking on that little pencil icon. As well as here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. To change the colors used throughout your brand new website, just click on that paints icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. You're bound to find one that's super festive. For each section you'd like to change those images, or maybe those call to action buttons, the text on them where they're linked to, just click on update section. Over here you have the option to upload your own images or search the photo library. Literally going to find hundreds of free high quality images here. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account and pull in those photos if you have a profile. Now, underneath that update action, you can change the text on those call to action buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more information on the stores at your Christmas market, or a form on how to book a store for your Christmas market. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain for your market, that was a great idea, because having a custom domain for your business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. To connect your custom domain, just click on that button at the bottom. So I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase one by the Marty Sites platform. How convenient is that? I really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on Marty Sites for your Christmas market. Really wishing you and your market Marty success. If you have any questions about Marty Sites, just pop it down below. I'll be happy to answer them. All the best.